How to remove and replace backgrounds in Shopify product images. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to remove the backgrounds from images and also replace them within your Shopify products. So we're going to head over to shopify.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on the admin dashboard. Now what we're going to do next is going to be very simple. We're going to head over the product section or the product editor, which is going to be situated within the left side of the screen. We have products, and now we have all the products that we have or we need to see. I click on one of the products that we have. Then we're going to find the product title, description, media, and etc. Media is going to mean that we have the images of the products. So we're going to select one of the images that we want to remove and replace the background of. Now what can we do next is going to be hidden over here. We can go ahead and I have made a focal point, but basically we can go ahead and transform it. So normally we can have a transformation within the product or the let's say the image as it is. So normally we have an AI selector right there. So we have the resize, the drawing, and unfortunately they have removed the editor. So basically how we can or what can we do more than that? So it is going to be very simple. They have removed the AI editor. Click image to set focal point. So let's try and have the focal point. It is not going to work. So we can go ahead and externally use a background remover, like going ahead to Google, background remover. We're going to find this website, which is going to be remove.bg, and we can go ahead and use this image. How we can get this image? We have the button download of it. Now we're going to have it just like this. Now I'm going to drag and drop our image. It is going to be having no background. This is not going to be something that we can go ahead and replace, especially these particles or these details. Sometimes we need to modify them more. We can go ahead within this platform and change the background to whatever that we want, to a photo, for example, like this, or you can upload your photo, or you can go ahead and use a color instead of that. Once you have finished, you can go ahead and download your image, and we're going to be having the image added just to our Shopify product. You're going to say that it is going to be something like that. This is our new image. It is not going to be as high as a quality because you need to have a high quality subscription plan to have the image set up like that. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.